In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import tasks in ClickUp. Whether you're transitioning your workflow from another platform or simply organizing data from a spreadsheet, importing tasks into ClickUp can save you a lot of time and effort. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that centralizes your tasks, making collaboration and productivity easier than ever. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the entire process of importing tasks from a spreadsheet, ensuring everything is mapped correctly and ready to go. Let's get started. First, locate your profile avatar icon in the top right corner of the ClickUp screen. Go ahead and click on it to open a drop-down menu. From there, select the Settings option. This will take you to ClickUp's Settings menu, where you can customize various aspects of your workspace. Next, navigate to the Imports/Exports section within the Settings menu. This is where ClickUp allows you to import tasks from external sources, such as spreadsheets, directly into your workspace. Once you've found this section, click on Spreadsheet as your import source. Now, it's time to choose the team space where you want to import your tasks. Take a moment to select the appropriate team space from the drop-down menu. This ensures that your imported tasks will appear in the right area of your ClickUp workspace. After that, select the correct file format for your spreadsheet. ClickUp supports common formats like CSV or Excel files, so make sure you choose the one that matches your spreadsheet. Once you've selected the format, click Continue to move on to the next step. At this point, you'll need to upload your spreadsheet file. You can do this by either browsing your computer to locate the file, or simply dragging and dropping it into the upload window. ClickUp will then process your file and generate a preview for you to review. Take a close look at the preview of your spreadsheet. This is where you can double-check that all columns and rows have been imported correctly. If you notice any errors, don't worry. You can fix your spreadsheet file, save the changes, and re-upload it to ensure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click Continue to proceed. In the next step, you'll confirm the mapping between your spreadsheet fields and ClickUp task fields. For example, you'll match columns like task names, due dates, and priorities from your spreadsheet to the corresponding fields in ClickUp. When you've completed the mapping, click Import into ClickUp to finalize the process. Now all you have to do is wait for the import to complete. This may take a few moments depending on the size of your file. And that's it. Your tasks are now successfully imported into ClickUp and ready to be managed. If you're new to ClickUp and don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.